Has now become a case in Delhi whenever there is such a controversy. Even Congress is echoing BJP's sentiments.
जब इन्होंने कहा था करीबन महीने भर 15-20 दिन पहले कि 1000 रुपया प्रति माह भेजेंगे, तब भी हमने इस पे सवाल उठाए थे। तो एक तरीके से आप समझ लीजिए ये फ्रॉड है, जो आप टेबलों पे महिलाओं को बुला बुलाकर उनसे दस्तखत करवा रहे हैं। ये मुझे लगता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी का चुनाव के लिए डेटा इकट्ठा करने का एक हथकंडा है।
Now there is another point of friction between the two parties. Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has levelled sensational charges of cash for votes against the BJP. Delhi CM says that cash is being distributed at the residence of BJP leader Parvesh Verma and demanded action against him.
आज वहां पर 20 विंजर प्लेस प्रवेश वर्मा जी के घर के सामने कई टीवी चैनल्स ने, कई रिपोर्टर्स ने खुद अपने कैमरा पे कैप्चर किया कि उनके घर से 1100 रुपए कैश बांटे जा रहे थे। मैं इलेक्शन कमीशन को कहना चाहती हूं, अभी गिरफ्तार करिए प्रवेश वर्मा को, अभी ईडी की रेड करवाइए उनके घर पर, अभी सीबीआई की रेड करवाइए प्रवेश वर्मा के सरकारी घर पर, अभी दिल्ली पुलिस की रेड करवाइए प्रवेश वर्मा के सरकारी घर पर। आपको वहां पे करोड़ों रुपए कैश मिलेगा।
Parvesh Verma has come out to defend himself. He says that whatever he was giving away as charity was out of his own savings, and this is not new. This is something that he and his family has been doing over a long period of time. He also goes on to make a snide remark against the Aam Aadmi Party and says, at least I was not found distributing alcohol.
आज मुझे बहुत ही जो है अच्छा लग रहा है कि आतिशी जी और केजरीवाल जी हम जो कार्य कर रहे हैं उसकी सराहना कर रहे हैं। मैं पिछले 11 दिन से जो देख रहा हूं यहाँ की महिलाओं का दुख, वो केजरीवाल जी पिछले 11 साल से नहीं देख पाए। जो हमारे वॉलेंटियर्स थे उन्होंने जगह जगह पे कैंप लगाना शुरू किया। मेरी लाडली माताओं बहनें वहां पर आई और हमने उनके फॉर्म भरे और हमने उनको ये सहायता राशि देनी शुरू करी। एक बात से मुझे खुशी है कि कम से कम मैं यहाँ पे शराब नहीं बांट रहा हूँ।
You heard Parvesh Verma there speaking in defense of himself, but here is what Delhi Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj said.
आज सुबह भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पोस्टर बॉय प्रवेश वर्मा अपनी मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट की कोठी जो उन्होंने खाली नहीं की है, उसमें कैश बांटते हुए रंगे हाथों पकड़े गए हैं। गरीब गरीब झुग्गी झोंपड़ी की औरतों को परवेश वर्मा के घर पे बुलाया गया और वहां पे भारतीय जनता पार्टी को वोट देने के नाम पे 1100 रुपए कैश के पैकेट बांटे गए।
Tejashi now joins us for more details. Tejashi, two aspects to this. First of all, let's talk about the notices that have been issued. Now, Sanjay Singh has come out and said that they are going to take action against those bureaucrats who have issued these notices. Where does that issue stand right now?
Well, see, as far as this entire controversy of the schemes that have been launched, in fact announced by Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, one is the Sanjeevani Yojana and the second one is Mahila Samman Yojana. So what Aam Aadmi Party says that they have clearly said that it is an announcement and in fact registration which is being done, it is being done on the behalf of Aam Aadmi Party and not the Delhi government. Number two, Aam Aadmi Party has also clarified that the advertisement that's been published in the newspaper, that has been published by the officers, and these officers have done it under the pressure of that was built by the BJP, and action will be taken against all those officers. Number three, what BJP is saying that these schemes that have been launched, they are all hollow schemes, and not just that, but the advertisements that are published in the newspapers, in the English and Hindi newspapers, that are quite evident that the schemes are just hollow, because the advertisement clearly mentions, so as to know such scheme is mentioned on paper, because the registration needs to be done online. There is a proper systematic pattern, and when the scheme is launched, launched, and the registration needs to be done on the portal of the senior citizens and the women as well, who will be getting 2100 in their account. So yes, these are all the war of words that we are in fact hearing from both the sides, from the BJP, from Aam Aadmi Party, as far as this entire scheme is concerned. And as of now, if we talk about the scheme itself, then Aam Aadmi Party is continuously saying the same thing, that it is an announcement that they have made. They will also be announcing in their manifesto this particular thing, and the scheme will be implemented or will be rolled out after the elections. And in fact, what BJP is saying, BJP is in fact now alleging that there is no such scheme, and it is the fake promise that Aam Aadmi Party has been making. So now we'll have to see that what actually transpires after this advertisement that has been published, and because we'll also have to see that what particular action will be taken, because today in the press conference that was held by Arvind Kejriwal, he also said that administrative action will also be taken and police action will also be taken on those officers.
These bureaucrats from the health department as well as the women and child development department report to the LG. Have you heard anything from that side?
No, as of now, there has been no official or unofficial statement from the LG, because what we are getting to know is that the advertisement that's been published, it's being done independently by the officers, is what we are getting to know. And as of now, there has been no statement from the LG office as far as this entire scheme is concerned. However, now the scheme has also turned into a political war of words, because BJP is alleging on Aam Aadmi Party that it's a hollow scheme. Aam Aadmi Party is saying that BJP could not do anything in the past 10 years, and it's just they want to stop all their schemes, not just this announcement that they have made, but also the past schemes that have been running, from Mohalla Clinic to free electricity to free bus services, is what Aam Aadmi Party has been saying. But yes, again, this entire scheme, not just that, but in that press conference, several allegations were also, sensational allegations were leveled up by the Chief Minister herself, where she said that there was a meeting, in fact, Kejriwal also said that there was a meeting that was held between the agencies, and they are also hatching conspiracy to arrest Atishi. And in fact, these were all the allegations that were leveled up. And in fact, also they stated that not just this, but soon Atishi will be arrested in a case of transport department, is what the statement that was made.
Have evidence to back this, or is it just another shoot and scoot tactics? It remains to be seen right now. Times Now will keep track of all the developments. Taking a very quick break right now. It has now become a case in Delhi whenever there is such a controversy. Even Congress is echoing BJP's sentiments.
जब इन्होंने कहा था करीबन महीने भर 15-20 दिन पहले कि 1000 रुपया प्रति माह भेजेंगे, तब भी हमने इस पे सवाल उठाए थे। तो एक तरीके से आप समझ लीजिए ये फ्रॉड है, जो आप टेबलों पे महिलाओं को बुला कर उनसे दस्तखत करवा रहे हैं। ये मुझे लगता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी का चुनाव के लिए डेटा इकट्ठा करने का एक हथकंडा है।